Good morning students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. Today we are continuing with 7th chapter of Business Studies of class 11th, and the topic which we are going to discuss today is sources of finance, that is owner fund and borrowed fund. So let's begin with owner fund. Owner fund refers to the funds contributed by the owner as well as the accumulated profit of the company. This fund remains with the company and it has no liability to return this fund. For example, equity share, retained earning, etc. The main features of owner fund are sources of permanent capital, provision of risk capital, no security required, sources of owner's fund. Now, this was something about owner's fund. Now, moving to borrowed fund. Borrowed fund refers to the borrowing of the firm. It includes all types of funds available by way of loan or credit. The main features of borrowed fund are: it is for fixed time, security is required, regular payment of interest and installments, controlling, and the source of borrowed fund include loan from commercial banks, issue of debentures, loan from financial institution, public deposit, intercorporate deposit, trade credit, etc. Now, what is the difference between owner's fund and borrowed fund? Basically, there are 7 differences between owner fund and borrowed fund. First of all, meaning. It refers to the fund contributed by the owner as well as the retained earning. Whereas borrowed fund, it refers to the borrowing of the fund. It includes all funds available by way of loans or credit. Time. Owner fund is source of permanent capital, whereas borrowed fund is for a fixed period of time. Security. Owner fund, no security is required with owner fund. Generally, firm get borrowed fund against the security of asset. Control. Owner's fund, contributors controls the company, but in borrowed fund, security holder do not get the right to control the business. Sources. The sources of owner fund are share capital, equity, preference, retained earning, GDR, ADR and IDR. Whereas the sources of borrowed fund is debenture, loan from commercial bank, financial institutions, trade credits, public deposit and lots more things. Right to return. Owner fund, generally holder have no right to get the regular return, but in case of borrowed fund, holder have a legal right to get regular return from the business operations. Risk. Owner fund security holder are primary risk bearer of the company, whereas borrowed fund security have no risk. Once again, I want to discuss the sources of raising finance through owner's fund and borrowed fund. So, how we can raise finance through owner fund? By the issue of equity shares, by the issue of preference share, retained earning, that is accumulated profit or plowing back of profit. GDR stands for Global Depository Receipts. ADR stands for American Depository Receipts. And IDR stands for International Depository Receipts. So these are the source of owner's fund by which we can arrange fund under owner's head. Now moving back to borrowed fund. Borrowed fund have limited sources. First major source of borrowed fund is debenture. Debenture is a written acknowledgement of debt, and many company borrowed fund through issue of debenture. You can take loan from financial institutions like UPFC, MPFC, RFC, etc. These institutions supports long-term finance. Loan from commercial banks for short duration and for mid-term time. Local company can arrange fund from public deposit because local people know that company very well. Trade credit exists among the businessmen, traders, merchant, which helps them in credit buying and selling. And last is ICD. ICD stands for Intercorporate Deposit. So these are the sources of borrowed fund. So these are the sources of borrowed funds. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.